students, how are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today let we start English chapter number 15, The Incredible Black Rain. So what is it? So let we start. Jack Grumplings was never happy with anything. Jack जो है कभी भी किसी चीज से खुश नहीं होता था. He had lots of friends and parents who loved him dearly, but Jack would always think about the things he didn't have or the things he did have which he was unhappy with. उसके पास दोस्त थे, पेरेंट्स थे, सब कुछ था, लेकिन वो उन चीजों को सोच के दुखी होता था जो उसके पास नहीं थी. If someone gave him a car, it would be too big or too slow. If he went to the zoo, he had come back disappointed because they hadn't let him feed the lions. If he played football with his friends, he would complain, saying there were too many of them for just one ball. So what caught Jack unaware was Chuckles, the prankster cloud. One day, Chuckles was drifting past and heard all of Jack's complaining. Chuckles wafted it over to see when the cloud was right above Jack. He started dropping heavy black rain on him. है ना, कुछ बादल थे जो उसे कुछ मजाक करना चाहते थे और उनमें से जो है बहुत काला जो है बारिश हो रही थी उसमें से. That was Chuckles' favorite trick to play on grumpy little tricks. ठीक है, तो ये उनकी ट्रिक थी जैक के साथ खेलने की. Okay, so Jack was at all impressed by this new development. It just made him complain even more. He was even angrier after he realized that the cloud was following him. Well, this carried on for almost a week. Jack couldn't get away from the cloud and he got more and more irritated. Jack had a little friend, a happy and generous girl called Sophie. Sophie was the only one who had been willing to hang around with Jack during all these black, rainy days. All the other children had run off toward getting soaked and ending up completely black. तो सोफी ऐसी लड़की थी जो उसके आसपास रहती थी, उसके साथ रहती थी. बाकी जो दोस्त थे वो देख के उसको पीछे हट गए थे कि उसके ऊपर काली बारिश हो रही है. One day, when Jack was at the end of his tether, he said to him, "Cheer up, but you should realize that you are the only one of us who has a very own cloud, and even better, its rain is back. We could play some fun games with a cloud like this. Don't you reckon?" As Sophie was only company these days and he didn't want her to leave him as the others had, Jack reluctantly agreed. Sophie took him to the swimming pool and left him there until all the pool water was black. Then she went and got other kids. They kept and played in the pool. The water being black meant they could play hide and seek. Grudgingly, Jack had to admit that it had been a lot of fun. But what was even more fun was playing with the cat. Jack would find cats and run alongside them, and when the cats felt themselves getting wet, they would jump about in the fastest way and run off at top speed with funny looks on their faces. Before long, all the children in two had gathered around Jack, thinking up new games they could play using the cloud. For the first time ever, Jack started to see the positive side of things, even things which at first had seemed to so bad. Chuckles the prankster cloud thought that he could now leave his work had been done, but before leaving, he Jack to days of multicolored rain with which the children invented the most fun games ever. When Chuckles' family left, Jack didn't complain. Now he knew to focus on the good in life, and the good things about Chuckles' departure was that no longer was Jack soaking wet all day. Now he could go and do dry things, and that's exactly what he did. So everyone, the chapter is in here. I hope you all are very well understood for chapter. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.